Hi, in this video I'm gonna basically set up the MT5 environment. So in the first video I showed you how to make your MT5 portable. If you haven't watched it, I recommend you to go back and watch it. And in here we're gonna basically beautify and change some of our settings to make our MT5 more readable. So open the folder, okay, that we created and press portable to open up the MT5. Log it into your account. In my case, I have a demo account. I'm gonna pause for a minute and
mail.
okay, I logged in my demo account. What I'm gonna do first, ideally I think you're gonna see a bunch of charts in green, okay, on a black background. So close them all, it's fine. And then I like to remove data window, and then I would just remove the one at the bottom. Now what we can do here, let's install one of the load one of the charts. Let's say Euro USD. Okay, right click, press chart window. Yeah, so we want to change how this chart looks like. Right click, go to properties, inside under common, okay, select candlesticks and make sure chart auto scroll is selected as well. And then in the colors tab, you need to change these ones to, let's say the background should be light gray. I don't know if you can write here. Let's see, light. Nope. Okay, we have to go and pick it up. So light gray would be somewhere here. Just a minute. Yep, it's here. And the foreground should be black. The grid should be light slate gray. Okay, which is fine. Bar up could be black. Bar down is black as well. Bull candle, let's make it blue. And bear candle, let's make it red. By the way, this look, or yeah, this style has been inspired by the Forex guy, Dale Woods, and I like the way he set up his chart, and I'm basically following similar, same style. Okay, so blue, red, line chart, okay, line graph, oops, silver, and volume should be lime green. Yeah, that's fine. Ask line is red, and stop levels, keep it red. And there's one thing I forgot to mention. Actually, grid should be none. Okay, we don't want grids. If you want to keep it light slate gray, but I don't use grid, so I'll just select none. And yeah, now let's go to let's press OK. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's good. I don't need the ones at the bottom, so let's get rid of this. So go to properties again. Inside show, I think we need to uncheck one of these options. Yep. So untick show tick volumes. As you can see, if you remove that, it goes away. Okay, press OK. If you don't see the candle bars here, make sure that you select this one, okay? Because yours might look something like this or this. Just make sure you select the candlesticks. Now let's save this template. Okay, save it so next time we don't have to do it again. Come here, template, save template. Okay, and name this default. Default means when you open MT5 next time, it will automatically pick the theme that's been saved inside default.tpl. So this is our default look. If you close it and open that again, we no longer have to reset the chart properties anymore. This is the default look. Okay, so we saved it. Now let's take it a little bit further and set up a few more things. Okay, what I would like you to do now, let's add more time frames. So right click here, we have time frames, customize. Okay, select customize. What we want to do, we want to add, let's say, I mean, it's up to you what you want to add. I like to add 12 hours, 8 hours, 6 hours, and that's about it. Now, and then let's sort it so the weekly shows just before monthly and the daily shows just before weekly, and then you have 12, 8 hours, 6 hours, 4, yeah, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15, 5, 1. Okay, it's all good. So we got the time frames that these are the commonly used time frames, or at least the ones that I like. It's up to you. You can add the minutes, you can add the hours in between as well. Next, we want to basically select like what the common symbols that we gonna trade with. Okay, so in my case, I wouldn't be trading a lot of these. I'll just hide all. Okay, hide all, and let's just pick and choose what we want, like Euro USD. That's fine. And there's one thing that I would like to show you. Right click here. Oops, sorry. Yeah, that's fine. You can right click here, go to columns, and then select spread. It's good to see the spread for each symbol. It helps. Okay, sometimes it helps me decide, or can help you decide, okay, should you enter the market or not. If the spread is too high, like, do I even want to enter the market? Okay, so it's good to have it here. Next, let's add the common symbols. So I would say like pound USD. It's up to you what you want to add at this point. I'm not gonna really go through the steps. I'll pause the video, I'll add them, and then we're gonna proceed further. Okay, so these are the symbols that I have. Okay, these are the ones. You can add as many as you want. So what's next? Next, we want to basically set up add some attributes or properties here. So I need to add the rectangular, I need to add the triangle, etc. So right click here, okay, on that area, press customize, and then select triangle, rectangular, and triangle. Yeah, that's all we need. Now you can basically organize these accordingly. So I like to move that up, and the triangle here. Yeah, I don't use this, to be honest. Like, I don't know what it is for, just remove it. And I think we're good. Okay, and then next, let's yep, that's all good. I'll leave Fibonacci. No, I'll leave it here. You close that. I personally like to move this thing, yeah, somewhere close by here. It's up to you how you move it, because I tend to use these time frames a lot and these drawings a lot. Now for the rectangular, by default, I think it's like not filled, and I use that rectangular to determine like consolidation. Okay, anyone watching this video now, I assume you're not a beginner. Okay, if you are a beginner, fine, you can set this up, but don't be thrown off by words like consolidation. You can learn them, you can Google them, and you're gonna learn that anyway. So here, that makes your consolidation, helps you lay out the consolidation and see it easily. But I don't like this style. Or let's change it. Just go to here. Okay, right click, press properties, and then go to red, change that to white smoke or white. Okay, so oops, not this one, this one, and choose this one, draw object as a background, go to the parameters, nope, yeah, fill, and we're good. So now it looks like this, nicer. Okay, it's easier to spot on the chart. You can highlight the consolidations area, so if the price breaks that area, then you easily see it. Okay, I like it. It's up to you how you want to do it. You can make it blue, green, whatever, doesn't matter. In my case, I prefer that style, white. Now let's do the rectangular. The same thing. So what you do, press rectangular, press one point, and press the second point, and then drag. Okay, right click, properties, same thing, select white smoke, draw object as background, parameters, fill, and we're good. This helps you like draw flags. I don't know how, if there's a flag, you can just do something like, I don't know, I have to search for a flag, but you're getting me, like this. So if there's, of course this is not the right set, I'm just demonstrating how it's getting used. So if the price breaks that triangle somehow, then you know we might have a breakout, something like that. Okay, yeah, I'm not here to teach like the price action trading, I'm just trying to explain how this tool could be used. So what's next? Next, we want to basically add the moving averages. So go to insert, indicators, trend, moving average, and we need to add two moving averages that you will need, that you will want, or it's useful to have for all the time frames. It's all, like, I find it very, very useful. The period, can keep it 10. Okay, the first one we're gonna keep it 10, and we're gonna make it exponential, of course. Keep apply to close, exponential. The 10 should be like deep sky blue or light blue or something that's flashy. Yeah, deep sky blue. Okay, press OK, and then we're gonna add the second one. And that would be the 20 EMA, and that's a dark blue. Dark blue would be somewhere here. It really doesn't matter, to be honest. Okay, I'll keep it dark blue. Yeah, no, I'll keep it dark. I'll keep it medium blue. I think that looks better. Okay, and for this one, for the 10, I don't think it's as flashy. I want it to be a little bit more shiny. So instead of deep sky blue, I'll pick like aqua. Anyway, you got the point, right? So choose the color that pleases you. Dark blue with a light blue somehow. I'm gonna choose this one again. Uh, Deep sky blue. I think it looks great. And for this one, I'm back again. Okay, I'm just obsessed with the colors. I'll pick, yeah, make it dark blue. It's fine. Who cares? All right, next. So let me explain what this EMA does. It helps you track the trends. Okay, so the lighter blue helps you catch up the faster trend, the short-term trend. What's happening now? You can see when this goes up, kind of the blue follows it. So that gives you a hint. Okay, we have like an uptrend going up, and that catches the fast move. The dark blue catches the slow move. So it helps you identify, okay, are we gonna reverse the market? Like right now, the light blue is below the dark blue. That means the market is in a bearish move, it's going down. But the moment these two lines cross each other, the light blue crosses the dark blue, that itself, okay, here is an indication that we might end up having, how can I say, the market is turning from bearish to bullish. So that could be like a turning point, a sign like, hey, we are heading up now. And it's true, see? And at some point, you can see the light blue is above the dark blue, and the market is just trending up and then trends down. So this helps you decide when trading, decide what's happening. Like if the light blue and the dark blue are intertwined, okay? That basically indicates the market could be unstable. So the market could be in three ways, either trending up or trending down, like you see here. I think I have. Let me see if I can draw something here. Yeah, trending up, trending down, or you could have this ranging. So if you see the a moving average are close to each other, moving horizontally, not up or down, and they kind of intertwined, or they go at the 3 o'clock direction, then probably you have a range of market. Not probably, you do have a range of market. That means the market is not clear. Okay, so yeah, that's the use of having these two EMAs, and they seem to work well with all time frames. Next is, what should we do? We should basically set the risk reward ratio tool. So if you use Fibonacci, it's fine, keep it, okay? But I'm gonna switch this Fibonacci to help us track the risk reward ratio tool. So I would like you to draw that Fibonacci first, okay? Select it, draw it, and then go to properties. Then we're gonna basically change a bunch of things here. So I want you to go to levels. All right, so change the description. So 0, let's say edit, okay? Keep that 0, and the level should be stop loss. And you will see how it's gonna look like, okay? If you like it, go ahead and do that. But for now, you can bear with me. And this has been inspired by the Forex guy, okay, Dale Woods. He's a great guy. I like his style of trading. He uses price action trading, and a lot of this design that I find useful has been inspired from him as well. Okay, like this approach that I'm doing, I learned it from him. So 0.5 and then here type entry, okay, and just do dash percentage dollar sign, and then let's do another one, okay, and just say 1-to-1 dollar sign percentage, and we're gonna continue doing that. 1.5, 2, 2.5, so 1.5, and then that would be 1-to-2 percentage and dollar sign, and then 2. Once you do that, you'll no longer have Fibonacci, by the way, so I'm just warning you here. And that's why what I suggest you to do is back up the settings of Fibonacci in case you no longer want to use this Fibo. I mean this these levels or this settings. You can always go and change things manually, okay, to what you had by default here. So that would be 3 / number sign dollar and then 2.5 1-to-4 dash percentage sign dollar, and then you have 3 you do this once, okay, because you have a portable MT5, so you don't have to repeat that every time you want to install or run a second instance of MT5. You can just copy the folder, paste it, and just run portable, okay. So, and that's what it is. So 3.5, I'm gonna pause the video for a minute. Okay, so I added all the risk reward ratio, so we're converting the Fibonacci to risk reward ratio tool. So you can take a screenshot if you want, or pause this video. So you have 0, 0.5, these are the entries, okay, and then if you scroll down, you have 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, and this is the risk reward ratio that's equivalent to that level, okay, and then we go down to 1-to-10, okay. So 1-to-10, that means if you want to go further to 1-to-11, 1-to-20, or whatever, you have to add like by halves, 6, okay, just an example, 11, okay, percentage dollar sign, and continue. But I think 1-to-10 is more than fair at this point. I'll just delete that and select black, press OK. That's what you get, okay. So how do you use this? It's easy. Let's say I'm gonna just delete this and go to the latest candle. All right, let's say I want to enter here. Okay, that's the enter price, and I want to put my stop loss somewhere here. So I'll put my stop loss here. First of all, define where you want to put your stop loss, okay, like here, and then define your entry. Like if you enter here, oops, yeah, sometimes it just snaps out for some reason. Okay, that means if the market now moves to this level, that means you would hit 1-to-1 ratio. You would return back your initial risk amount. And then if the market keeps moving up to here, you get 1-to-2 risk reward ratio, 1-to-3, 1-to-4, 1-to-10. You get it? That's it. That helps you just decide, okay, if I want to cash out once I make 3 times more what I risked, where I'm gonna exit. Where would I exit? Well, you would be exiting here at 1-to-3. Okay, that's all. So this helps you just decide, okay, what's the possible exits when you want to exit. Like if you want to hit 1-to-3, how long you want to wait? You're gonna wait all this way until here. Okay, I find it's a useful tool. So yeah, we set it up. Next, I don't think there is anything else. Let's just try the trend line to see how it looks like. Okay, it looks good. If your trend line looks like, I don't know if you're gonna face this issue, but ray left or ray right, if your trend line for some reason when you draw it keeps looking like this, all you have to do, right click, go to properties, and unselect ray right. Okay, that's all you do. Okay, let's save the template again. So go to templates, save it. Yeah, select default.tpl, save, yes, overwrite it. All right, so what's next then? What I suggest you to do at this point is to load one useful indicator, okay? And not an really, it's a utility, okay? A utility that helps you decide or tells you when this candle will close. So what I suggest you to do, to log in, create an account with MQL5, and then you can just press register. I think you have to register and then log in, okay? Okay, so I logged in. What I suggest you to do now, to go to the market. Well, you can do it in many ways. You go to tools, MQL5 market, and let's look for, I know the name of it. So Blatek, let's see, it's gonna show up. Yeah, choose Blatek candle timer MT5. Download it. Okay, that's great. Go back. I mean, we no longer need this, so you can just close it, okay? So if you come and drag this to the chart, what you're gonna notice is a timer, okay? It's gonna tell you this candle will end in 29 minutes, and then a new candle will form. If I go to the 5 minutes chart, it tells you this candle will close in 4 minutes, and a new candle is going to form after that. Yeah, this will close in 3 seconds. Now let's wait. Oops, see, it closed. A new candle opened up. This candle will last for a minute, and then another candle will open up. So it's kind of useful for you to decide, like, it depends your style of trading, but I think this is a useful tool to have. If you don't want it, it's fine. You can all you do is just come here, right click, objects, oops, no, right click, indicators list, choose Blatek, delete, and you'll be good. Yeah, it's no longer here. Okay, that's all. So if you close this, close it up, open portable again, you have everything set up. You have the indicator here, you have the drawings, you have these this everything you've set, it's there, okay? The risk reward ratio tool, etc. And as a reminder, because you have a portable account, that means if you copy this and paste it again and take this to a different machine, okay, different device, we're still gonna get the same properties, settings, etc. It's just if you open this, we're opening this from the copy folder. Everything is in here. You don't have to install MT5 again and do all of these settings again anymore. I like that. Okay, you can open both. You can open from this folder, and so you can have 2 instances of MT5. Each instance has its own account. Okay. All right. So thanks for watching, and I hope this was useful. Have a good day.